Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you arrive on one of the most exclusive stretches of real estate anywhere in the world, a place often whispered about simply as Billionaires Row, there is an immediate sense that you are entering a different realm. The streets are quieter, the architecture more deliberate, more confident, and every residence seems to exist not merely to provide shelter, but to make a statement. Today, we are stepping inside one of the most exceptional architectural homes ever created on this legendary address. A residence that blends vision, craftsmanship, and innovation into a single, unforgettable living experience. From the moment you approach the property, it is clear that this is not a house designed to follow trends. It is a home built to define them. The facade commands attention without being loud. Clean, sculptural lines stretch horizontally, balanced by soaring vertical elements that pull the eye upward. Expanses of glass are framed in warm natural stone and custom, fabricated metal detailing, creating a dramatic yet refined first impression. The home sits slightly elevated from the street, offering privacy while still allowing natural light to flood every level. Subtle landscaping guides you toward the entrance, with mature trees, manicured hedges, and carefully placed lighting that feels more like a gallery installation than traditional curb appeal. Every detail has been considered, right down to the gentle sound of water from a reflecting pool that runs alongside the entry path, setting a calming tone before you even step inside. As the front door opens, the scale of the interior reveals itself instantly. You are greeted by a double-height foyer that feels both grand and inviting. The floor beneath your feet is a custom stone blend, sourced from quarries halfway across the world, polished to a soft sheen that reflects the natural light pouring in from above. A sculptural staircase rises effortlessly along one wall, its floating treads crafted from solid wood, supported by a hidden structural system that gives the illusion of weightlessness. Above, a bespoke chandelier hangs like a piece of modern art, designed specifically for this space, casting gentle, layered light throughout the entryway. From the foyer, your eyes are naturally drawn forward into the main living areas. Floor-to-ceiling glass panels dissolve the boundary between indoors and outdoors, offering uninterrupted views of the city skyline while maintaining complete privacy through strategic placement and advanced glazing technology. The primary living room is expansive yet perfectly proportioned, designed for both intimate evenings and large-scale entertaining. Soft, neutral tones dominate the palette, allowing textures to take center stage. Custom wall panels, hand-finished plaster, and integrated lighting create depth without distraction. Every piece of furniture has been selected or designed specifically for this home, ensuring harmony in scale, color, and comfort. Moving further into the space, the connection between architecture and lifestyle becomes even more apparent. The open plan layout flows seamlessly into a formal dining area that feels more like a private restaurant than a residential room. A long, handcrafted dining table anchors the space, positioned beneath a dramatic linear light installation that mirrors the geometry of the home itself. The walls are clad in a combination of stone and warm wood, creating an atmosphere that is both luxurious and welcoming. Whether hosting intimate dinners or lavish gatherings, this space was designed to elevate every occasion. Adjacent to the dining area is the heart of the home, an extraordinary chef's kitchen that balances aesthetics with uncompromising performance. Custom cabinetry stretches wall to wall, finished in a matte tone that absorbs light and enhances the feeling of calm. The island, carved from a single slab of stone, serves as both a functional workspace and a sculptural focal point. Professional grade appliances are seamlessly integrated, maintaining the clean lines while offering the power required for serious cooking. Hidden storage solutions, touch-activated panels, and smart home integration ensure that everything is exactly where you need it, without cluttering the visual experience. Beyond the kitchen lies a more relaxed family lounge, designed for everyday living without sacrificing luxury. Here, the ceilings are slightly lower, creating a sense of intimacy, while still maintaining expansive views through sliding glass doors that open completely to the outdoor living areas. The transition from inside to outside is effortless, with matching flooring materials extending beyond the glass, blurring the line between interior comfort and outdoor freedom. This space invites long conversations, quiet mornings, and evenings spent watching the city lights come alive. Stepping outside, the outdoor amenities reveal themselves as a natural extension of the home's design philosophy. A generous terrace spans the width of the property, offering multiple zones for dining, lounging, and entertaining. The infinity edge pool appears to float above the city, its water merging visually with the skyline beyond. Integrated seating areas are carved directly into the architecture, while a covered lounge provides shade and shelter without obstructing the view. An outdoor kitchen and bar make hosting effortless, allowing guests to move freely between indoor and outdoor spaces without ever losing the sense of luxury. Back inside, a private corridor leads to a dedicated office and library, designed for focus and inspiration. Floor-to-ceiling shelving houses curated collections of books and art, while a large desk faces a window framing a carefully composed view of greenery and sky. The acoustics here are meticulously engineered, creating a quiet retreat from the rest of the home. It is a space that encourages productivity by day and reflection by night, proving that even practical rooms can be elevated to something truly special. As we ascend to the upper level, the private quarters of the home unfold with an emphasis on tranquility and retreat. The primary suite occupies an entire wing, offering an experience closer to a five-star hotel than a traditional bedroom. The sleeping area is positioned to capture morning light and evening city views, with motorized blinds allowing complete control over privacy and ambience. Soft materials, layered lighting, and a restrained color palette create an atmosphere of calm that instantly puts you at ease. The primary bathroom is nothing short of a sanctuary. Large, format stone slabs cover the walls and floors, their natural veining adding organic beauty to the space. A freestanding soaking tub sits beside a panoramic window, perfectly placed for moments of quiet indulgence. The walk-in shower features multiple rain heads and body jets, all seamlessly integrated into the architecture. Dual vanities, custom lighting, and heated floors ensure that comfort and luxury are present in every detail. Adjacent to the bathroom, a walk-in dressing room offers boutique-style storage, with glass-fronted cabinets, soft lighting, and carefully organized spaces for every wardrobe need. Additional bedroom suites on this level continue the theme of refined luxury. Each room has been designed with its own character, yet all share the same commitment to quality and comfort. En-suite bathrooms feature bespoke finishes, while large windows provide natural light and views without compromising privacy. These rooms are equally suited for family members or guests, offering a sense of independence within the larger home. Descending to the lower level, the home reveals its entertainment and wellness amenities designed to rival those of any luxury resort. A private cinema room features tiered seating, acoustic wall treatments, and state-of-the-art projection technology, creating an immersive viewing experience. Whether hosting movie nights or private screenings, this space delivers performance without distraction. Nearby, a fully equipped wellness center includes a professional-grade gym, a spa area with sauna and steam room, and a serene relaxation lounge. Natural materials and soft lighting create an environment that encourages well-being, while advanced climate and air filtration systems ensure optimal comfort. It is a place designed not just to look impressive, but to support a healthy, balanced lifestyle. The home also includes a temperature-controlled wine cellar capable of housing an extensive collection. The design is both functional and visually striking, with backlit shelving displaying each bottle like a piece of art. Adjacent tasting areas allow for intimate gatherings, turning wine appreciation into a social experience. Technology is seamlessly woven throughout the property, enhancing daily life without ever feeling intrusive. A comprehensive smart home system controls lighting, climate, security, and entertainment at the touch of a button. Hidden speakers deliver crystal clear sound in every room, while advanced security features provide peace of mind at all times. Despite this level of sophistication, the technology remains invisible, allowing the architecture and design to remain the true stars of the show. As you explore every corner of this extraordinary home, what becomes most apparent is the level of intention behind every decision. This is not a residence built for spectacle alone. It is a home designed to be lived in, enjoyed, and experienced on a daily basis. The architecture serves the lifestyle, creating spaces that adapt to different moods, occasions, and moments. Standing once more in the main living area, with the city stretching endlessly beyond the glass, it is easy to understand why this home is considered one of the finest on Billionaires Row. It represents the very best of modern architecture, where beauty and function exist in perfect balance. Every element, from the grand gestures to the smallest details, contributes to a sense of harmony that is both rare and unforgettable. This is more than just a luxury home. It is a statement of vision, a celebration of design, and a private sanctuary in the heart of one of the world's most prestigious addresses. For those fortunate enough to call it home, it offers not just a place to live, but a way of life defined by elegance, comfort, and timeless architectural excellence.